We're gonna cut straight to the chase. The Aventador Roadster and the Aventador Coupe, I own both of these cars. They're titled in my name, there's no liens up against them. The Ford Shelby Raptor, same thing. The Aventador Roadster, like, I did not lease this car, I actually bought it in cash. The Aventador Coupe was financed, but 2 weeks ago, guys, I actually paid this car off. The Gladiator, the Gallardo, the 430 Challenge, all the same storyline. The Bugatti Veyron, you see, I do own the car, but I really don't own the car. It's kind of like a joint custody. Yeah, joint custody. Now, I'd imagine this is probably not a shocking revelation that my Bugatti Veyron is financed, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and of course, welcome back to the vlog. So my monthly payment on this car is $4,765 every single month. $4,765 every single month. And if I miss one payment on this car, the bank is gonna repossess it, and my credit score is gonna be in the toilet, and my financial future is gonna be flushed down said toilet. So, we really don't want to miss any payments. Now in today's video, I'm telling you guys everything. Full financial disclosure, what I paid for the car, how much my down payment was, how much I still owe on the car, my interest rate, everything. Like no nonsense, no garbage, full disclosure, everything. Oscar, give me that worm. Give it to me, give it to me. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, 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 hey. Oh my gosh, how are you so strong? You're just a marshmallow. He's just a floofy marshmallow. Okay, we're good. Whoa, 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 whoa. This might work, it also might not. I don't think it's level. I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but what do you think, Oscar? Yeah, I love him. He's the best flute there ever was. Now, before we get to the pertinent details, and we'll get there, I want to give you guys an interesting backstory. The Bugatti Veyron back in 2005 smashed every single performance record. Top speed, 254 miles an hour. The first production car with 1,000 horsepower from the manufacturer. 4 turbos, W16, sticker price north of $1 million. It really created what we know as the modern day hypercar. And that being said, today, right now, the car is very underappreciated and the value reflects that. And that's why I say today, November 22nd, 2020, that could be the right date, I don't even know. Today, right now, the price on the Bugatti Veyron is an all-time low and it is just gonna climb high into the future. So if you're considering buying a Bugatti Veyron, seize the moment, buy one today because in 5, 10, 20 years, it's gonna be worth so much more money. My car brand new in 2008, sticker price was $1.7 million. I bought the cheapest Bugatti Veyron I could find in the entire world, $880,000. That's what I paid for the car. I put down $580,000. I financed the remaining $300,000. My interest rate was 3.99%, which is pretty good. $880,000. If you're looking for a Bugatti Veyron, best of luck to you, because if you get on Auto Tempest, the average price I want to say is $1.2, $1.3 million. Obviously, those cars are much lower mileage than my car. My car is the cheapest Veyron in the entire world. The mileage reflects that. And in 5, 10, 20 years, if I sell the car for $5 million, it'll also still be the cheapest Bugatti Veyron in the entire world, but it also might be the highest mileage Bugatti Veyron in the entire world. Also, full disclosure, there's a chance in 5 to 10 to 20 years the car might be worth $500,000, and I could be completely wrong. I've been wrong before, and I'll be wrong again. Well, hopefully not on this. Now, getting the finance on the Veyron was a pretty interesting process because $300,000 is a massive amount of money for a car loan. It's more on par with a mortgage that's a 15 or 30-year loan. A car loan is 5 or 6. And so the amount of approvals we had to get from the vice president all the way down to the loan officer, all the documentation I had to submit was on par with a mortgage. Financial statements, profit and loss, tax returns for the past 3 years. We had to get the vehicle appraised. And then finally, I was able to get the car financed only if I put down a massive amount as a down payment, $580,000. Now, the bank that I went through, I have this long-standing relationship with them. The second largest car loan they have ever done in their entire history is the Aventador downstairs, the Veyron being the most expensive, but they also did the Gallardo and the Gladiator. Now, the interest rate I got at 3.99% is pretty incredible because I could have used all of my financial resources to buy the Veyron outright, but then I would have been wrecked. Like, I would have had nothing left. Whereas by financing $300,000, I'm able to buy the Aventador Roadster, the JDM car. I have more content to film, and so the rate of return on my money is way higher than 3.99%. Financing it was the smart thing to do. It's like getting free money. You can't beat it as long as you can make the payments. $4,765 every single month. Whoa! No way, Oscar! That was like a dog leg stand. Please don't judge me. All I have are these wooden planks They were free. They were in Nick's backyard. Free's free. I better not see any of you guys making fun of me in the comments below. I know the wood is a little bit janky, but it actually worked to like perfection. The Aventor is so low to the ground that these arms needed the extra clearance to barely clear it. Look at that. Beautiful, I tell you, beautiful. This is probably gonna be one of the weirdest sequences in a vlog ever. I am actually working on one of my cars, the Aventador. I did the steering wheel on this car, but other than that, this is the first time actually working on the car on camera as well as off camera. We gotta swap out the summer tires, the summer wheels for the winter tires and the winter wheels. Obviously, spin class starts next week, so we're in session. This is definitely not a how-to video. If you're looking for a how-to video on an Aventador, never watch my channel. But step one is to loosen the lug nuts. The lug nuts. You see? Case in point. I'm kind of sort of like a little bit nervous right now. This is the first time lifting the Aventador on the Binpack 2-post lift. Not that I think the car is gonna fall, but if it did fall, that'd be a bad day. Today's a beautiful day. We lifted Burlacker's Raptor a couple weeks ago, but it was kind of sort of on him because it was his truck and the consequences were kind of sort of... Everything looks good. Honestly, like, that's all we have to do. We just got to get the wheels off so we don't have to go crazy. Pretty good. If I was like legitimately qualified to do this, we'd be using an impact gun, but obviously I'm not, so lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, bada-bing, bada-boom. Not bad. I'm such an idiot. The wheel is stuck to the hub. Obviously, I don't have a rubber mallet, so I'm just going like this right now, trying to loosen the wheel from the hub, and this is what my life has come to. I'm too lazy to go buy a rubber mallet, and so I'm using my fists to get this wheel off. Come on, baby. Come on. Really? Come on. Oh, this is why I need to be working out. If I was stronger, if I was Burlacker, baby Burlacker, my mom and dad are very proud of me. Very proud of me. If I had WD-40, I'd use it, but on the same notion as the rubber mallet, it's at Home Depot, and I'm ill-prepared. Once again, a representation of my life. Oh. Ow, ow, ow. That's a knuckle between the caliper and the wheel. Ow, ow. I'm definitely an idiot, but I can get the rear tires. This represents the good news. That's the bad. I cannot get it off, but I have an idea. Yes, an idea. Now, my new plan is probably not any better than my old plans, but we're gonna get under the car. I put the lug bolts back in, and we're gonna hit from this side, but with something better. Oh, whoa, whoa. I think we got it, boys. Okay, this is a weird angle. I'm sorry for that. Oh, it feels good to win. Yes. Okay, that was a weird angle. Go! A couple key details. None of the wheels have fallen off, at least quite yet. Also, all 4 of the TPMS sensors are eliminated. Not a big surprise right there. The Valvetronic on the Aventor is broken, so that's why it sounds like a Dyson, but nevertheless, go! I gotta do a quick visual inspection just to make sure that all the wheels look good. The black with the orange, the Argos, looks so crazy though. Like, what? It looks so good. The white Brixtons are amazing, but obviously anytime you refresh a car, it looks so crazy though. It is just popping. That is what? Look at this car. Go! Jeez, even with the valves closed, it still sounds incredible. Also, yes, I did torque the wheels, okay? The wheels are torqued, we're good. I really shouldn't admit how long this just took me from start to finish, but it was 3 hours. Now, in my defense, in my list of excuses, it's the first time I've done a wheel change on an Aventador, first time I've used the 2-post lift, the wheels were stuck to the hubs, so maybe. So now we're gonna do round 2, the white Brixtons on the white Roadster, because white and white seems excessively cool. Yeah? Yeah. She's a birthday girl! You guys know the drill. It's the just in case shot, in case the car falls, yada, 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 yada. Oh yes, as smooth as butter right there. A quick disclaimer, this might look kind of sort of wonky because the wheels are gloss white and the paint is like a satin white with like a balloon white. It might be strange, but it's worth a try, right? This is definitely not a flex. I'm not trying to flex right now. That's not what's going on whatsoever. I just did that in 45 minutes. It took me 3 hours, 45 minutes. That's like most improved. I get like a gold star. Anyways. And we have some more good news. We got tire spin right there, and none of the wheels fell off, so that's really, really good news. I gotta admit, when I saw traction control going like crazy, I've never experienced that in an event where I thought it was because the rear wheels actually broke loose and I was gonna see one fly past me, but obviously that didn't happen, so we're good. The white wheels look so prime. I was kind of sort of nervous the satin white and the gloss white wouldn't look right. That looks crazy. It looks so good. What? Okay, so security is notoriously strict in this parking lot, so we gotta get lost before we get in trouble. Here we go. Come on. Boom. It's pretty cool to have two cars where every single part is interchangeable. Like we could put the carbon hood on the white Roadster, those white wheels, the black wheels, it just completely changes the whole dynamic of the car. What do you think? Do you like the white wheels? Do you like the black wheels? Let me know in the comments below. We're gonna head home because I didn't expect that to take 6 hours. And when I say 6 hours, I really meant more like 4 hours. This warehouse is an absolute disaster. I have to admit, the Rolls-Royce does add a level of class to the neighborhood. Also, Mrs. Burlacker, Mr. Burlacker, and the limo are all backed in. Even the neighbors backed in. And I'm just gonna pull straight in because I'm lazy. I am absolutely exhausted. I was not expecting it to be that difficult to change out the tires on the Aventadors, but we did it, and the white and black wheels look awesome. Also, hopefully today's video wasn't too boring. Hopefully that Bugatti stuff was somewhat interesting. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like this one, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.